Whoa.
I didn't have a lot of the stuff in the front.
Wow. Are these 18s? Oh.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I didn't have a lot of the stuff in the front.
Wow. Are these 18s?
Yeah.
Oh. Could you tell me real quick what's in here?
2 RE Audio 18s, RE Audio 6.5s in the front, tweeters up there, 3500 watt DD, and then whatever that one is over there, I can't tell what's on that.
Okay. Euphoria? DB drive? Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice. Have you ever considered walling it off around the pillar here?
I am. I've got to lighten on my truck, get a bunch shot.
Okay.
Tear it apart.
Yes, sir.
The idea is we got to drive them every day. You can't.
Nope. Yes, sir.
You can't work on them.
Stand.
But this is JacobViral. So a quick little commentary I'll try to do before we get to the demo. So this is a really big, efficient box for a dual setup that's 18-inch subwoofers. I think he has stock electrical though. I don't remember him saying he had any kind of upgraded alternator. And all I see is a capacitor here. So we'll see how this thing does. I know his voltage will probably drop a little bit. I'll try to get that on camera too. But be sure to give him a like. Let him know what you think about it after you watch the demo I'm about to show you. And let's check out the subflex action.
Your batteries hidden?
It's stock.
Oh, just
Stock battery, stock alternator.
Oh, so no batteries back here. Really? Okay. Now, do you know your specs on your enclosure?
Supposed to be 2 to 32 hertz.
Okay.
It's, 14.7 feet up.
Yeah, okay. That's a little on the big end for two 18s.
I've been thinking about taking it out and doing 415s.
I'll go from 2 to 4 and then at 15. Okay.
I think I'm going to end up doing that before it's up.
Awesome. What is your peak frequency on this? You don't know? Oh, don't worry about it. It's all good. All right.
Might have a little.
Oh, so you don't have any batteries on that? Really? Wow.
One I got running on.
Okay.
And stock off.
Really? On an Alpine. Okay. Awesome. What was your name?
Dennis.
Dennis. Nice to meet you, Dennis. Jacob.
Hey, man.
Thank you for the
I'll
demo.
follow you.
You do? Okay. I do a lot of videos, so a lot if you've been seeing for a few years. Okay. Yep. Do you know your specs on your enclosure?
It's supposed to be 2 to 32 hertz.
Okay.
It's 14.7 cubic feet, I think.
Yeah, okay. That's a little on the big end for 218s.
I've been thinking about taking it out and doing 415s.
I'll go from 2 to 4 and then at 15. Okay.
I think I'm going to end up doing that 417.
Awesome. What is your peak frequency on this? You don't know? Oh, don't worry about it. It's all good. You just like to play. I understand, man. Hey, thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you again. Thanks for watching.
Outside your house, might have a little. Right off them tonight. There's so many bodies on the street, so maybe we should go and have some. Outside your house, might have a little. Right off them tonight. Since the crack of dawn, just trying to get paid. Get harder than a harder sun. I can't find no shade. Nothing now for a shave and a shower, and I'll be outside your house. Might have a little. Right off them tonight.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.